So let's go ahead and look at the utility takeoff report. So on the utility tab, we're going to click utility takeoff report. We're going to choose our network, which is our water service. We can set our increment. We can account for shrinkage and bulkage as well. But let's just go ahead and click OK. It's going to generate an Excel spreadsheet and give us some information. So there's our total length, and if you remember from our earlier videos, 1288 was the length of our line string, but also the length of the original pipe. So it's giving us our total information for the water line. If we go to the line takeoff, we've got some total information here. All right, so you got our lines and some unit cost and bid unit cost and total costs. All right, so based on the numbers that we put in. If I look at the calculations for the earthwork, we've got, let's make this bigger. You can see we've got our, from station to station, our bank cut, our earth and onsite materials, and our gravel bedding. And if we scroll over a little further, we've got our compacted deficit, which we didn't apply, but you can see the information is here. So our utility line area accumulated is listed. If we scroll down, you got your totals. So we have those numbers to work with, and then you've got your node summary. So we've got 2 left fittings, 2 right fittings. Basically, they got 5 T's that we need, and we have a couple water valves, right? So if we added in, the other hydrants and stuff, we would have a total number of those as well. And then the node takeoff, just more detail, elevation, so on and so forth. All right. Now there isn't any design height or rim elevation because these are fittings, but this is what we're looking for here. So that's our report. So again, depending on what information you have, how detailed your model is, will depend on what more information you get on the report. So, and then just like all the other ones, in the last example, at least in the sanitary, you can use the export command to send this out to the field and start constructing your water line.